Hey, what's going on, crew? It's your boy Serrano, and today we're gonna review the Motorola Moto E5 Plus for Metro by T-Mobile. A lot of people on the channel had told me they were still using the Motorola Moto E5 Plus, and I actually am too. So I wanted to go ahead and do a quick review on this device in 2019 and let you guys know how it's holding up. So you can see I was getting an update, and it was really nice to look at when you turned it around. When you look at the back side of it, it's actually really attractive and has this really nice I don't even know what this is called, but it just looks really cool. And the same thing with the camera. It actually has like this face on it if you look really close that looks like it's smiling at you, and I definitely think it's pretty cool. They also added the Motorola logo, which is on the fingerprint sensor. They did update the branding, see right here, Metro by T-Mobile, during this update. We do got 8.0.0 with March 1st, 2019 running on the Motorola E5 Plus. I was actually using social media on the Motorola Moto E5 Plus and just testing out how smooth it actually was when I was using it. I did notice that Instagram as well as Facebook didn't have any stutters whatsoever. We were rocking Snapdragon 435, which was one of the older low tier processors. With this update, we did actually get the Metro Play app for Metro by T-Mobile, so you can actually have a lot of content on the go, and you're just on the commute. You could watch like these quick 5 to 10 minute videos. What I did like about the Motorola Moto E5 Plus was that the top speaker right there with the earpieces did have a really nice sound. Let's go over to the channel and check out some more of the video quality and sound quality on the Motorola Moto E5 Plus. Now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the screen, and you can see it's the 18:9 ratio, and you're gonna be able to play videos on 720 on YouTube. So you can actually pinch to zoom, and just to say the least, the screen and experience that you were getting when you were watching multimedia, YouTube and social media was quite satisfying, just to say the least. So when it came to the Motorola Moto E5 Plus for social media, it wasn't a disappointing phone whatsoever. One of the things that I did notice was that the processor was quite snappy. It was quite fluent, and the graphics did look really good on the 6-inch device. One of the things you're going to notice is that the chin is a little bit more bigger than the forehead, but I didn't have any problem with it whatsoever. So you can see the graphics are just really dope. You can see I'm just that combo was just bananas, and you can see I'm connecting right here with a couple of swings. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at some of the gameplay right here, which is the real boxing from the Play Store, and it's actually free of charge. So you can see I was having a really good time when it came to playing some live action sports on the Motorola Moto E5 Plus. Now let's just go over to another game that I just downloaded, and it's called Need for Speed, and it did look quite smooth, just to say the least. The graphics were nice and punchy, and you can see all the graphics, lights, contrasts, the darks, everything was just really smooth. There weren't any hiccups in the graphics from what I can see, but when I played heavier games, more graphic intensive games such as the PUBG, I did notice from time to time I did encounter an occasional hiccup, but that didn't stop me from enjoying the gameplay of the Motorola E5 Plus. So you can see right here, there was very minimal delays, but still a few on the screen, and I was actually able to play in live mode right here. But I did get a stutter right there, which actually could have been a make or break for me, living or dying, which if you're a gamer, you don't want to have those little hiccups to you know, encounter while you're actually playing the game. One of the hardest parts is to find a weapon when you're in one of these levels where a lot of people are at, and so that's basically where I ended my match right here. Now let's just go over to the camera arena and take a look at an HDR photo compared to a regular photo in the low light situation inside of indoor studio. So you can see this is just without the HDR, and then right here, this is where we're getting a little bit more detail with that HDR setting. So it was like actually pretty cool, and I definitely could say that the cameras were definitely efficient for 2019. Now when it came to the Google feed, you could see that it was quite smooth. There was an occasional hiccup with the Snapdragon 435 speeds, but you did get some really cool features, such as this one-handed operation mode when you drag up from the bottom, you know, or left or right corner. You also did get the night display, so when you were actually you know, reading in the nighttime, or you know, anything like that, you watching some Netflix and chill, you can actually take advantage of that for the blue light filter. You also do get moto actions, 3 fingers for screenshot. You could do one of these to get to your camera, and a little chop feature to get to your flashlight. Also swipe down and you can do a whole bunch of you can pull down that notification bar. And overall, the Motorola Moto E5 Plus was definitely pretty cool. Thank you guys for staying locked in with me. It's your boy Serrano. I appreciate every last one of you. Make sure you stay locked in for more videos just like this. And thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you guys in the next video. It's your boy Serrano. You guys are the real MVPs. Have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace. And I'll catch you guys later. But make sure you guys hit the bell icon and subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. Every single like helps the channel. Make sure you stay locked in and check out the full catalog of videos that I made just for you. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.